Welcome to your mindful morning meditation. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a moment to settle into your body, letting go of any tension or restlessness that may be present. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Take a deep inhale, feeling the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and expanding your belly. And as you exhale, feel the breath leaving your body, releasing any tension or stress with each breath out. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, simply observing the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Notice how the breath flows effortlessly, without any effort or control from your part. Be fully present with each breath, as if it's the most important thing in this moment. As you continue to breathe, start to expand your awareness to your body. Scan your body with your attention, from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort without judgment. Simply observe these sensations and let them be. Bring your attention to the sensations in your hands. Feel the warmth or coolness of your palms, the gentle touch of your fingers against each other, or any other sensations that arise. Shift your focus to your surroundings. Notice any sounds that you hear, whether they're nearby or in the distance. Take a moment to appreciate the symphony of sounds that exist around you without labeling or judging them. Bring your attention to your thoughts and emotions. Notice any thoughts that may arise without getting caught up in them. Observe them as if they are passing clouds in the sky, coming and going without holding on to any particular thought. Observe any emotions that may arise, allowing them to flow through you without resistance. Feel a sense of gratitude for this present moment and the opportunity to cultivate mindfulness. Gently begin to deepen your breath, gradually bringing more movement into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to carry the sense of mindfulness and presence you cultivated in this meditation into the rest of your day. You can return to this state of awareness at any time, simply by taking a few conscious breaths. May your day be filled with peace, presence, and a deep sense of well-being.